Been working over a year to get all the design concepts and everything put together. So we started off with kōrero with our kaumātua and our kuia, making sure that ko whakai rātou. And once we've got a few stories together, we can kind of work on a concept, and once that concept comes to fruition, I can start adding designs. So there's 4 pou along the track. The ones along the track, we've got pou tūtei, which represent the figures standing guard over the area. So there's a kaupapa to this area, and that kaupapa is karakia and whakanoa. So we've got pouahu, which is holding a tewhatewa, and traditionally a tewhatewa was used to show or change direction. So that's why we've put them at the top of the track, and it replicates down along the signs as well. As you get down the bottom, you've got ki tao, which is a form of karakia that empowers ngā rākau o Te Rere, and then there's a ki rākau, which is another form of karakia. And then right at the bottom, you've got whakanoa, which is basically to cleanse any rākau that has been in the time of war. Up at the tomokanga, we've got 2 figures representing the waterways. You've got the surface design, 2 arakuri, which represent some of the kōrero that's aligned to this area as well. A lot of the designs have been taught to me from our Tohunga James Tapiata, which is one of our Tohunga Whakairo from Ngāti Hangarau. A lot of the designs are based off our wharenui at Hangarau, so we've got little bits and pieces added on to those as well. This place was used for karakia and for different signs, and so listening to the waterfall and getting those signs from the waterfall, a lot of the tikanga around this place was karakia. That's why we've got the different forms of karakia as you get down the track. So as you go down the track and you can read those things, you're actually educating yourself why we use that area as a waihi tapu. And the one right down at the bottom is whakanoa, which represents our karakia to cleanse things, and that's why it was situated right next to the water. There are a couple of ways that we'd cleanse things. One was water, one was kai as well. So a lot of that tikanga was held right next to the waterfall.